Let me show you how you can create a paywall within your custom GPTs on the OpenAI platform in under 30 seconds. So we are just rolling this out. This website is called Authflow.ai, and we are taking on early users. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show everyone how quick and how effective this really is to go ahead and implement a paywall directly into your custom GPT. If you're not sure what a paywall is, you can either charge monthly subscriptions. There's a whole verification process for these users, then put their email, stuff like that. And you can also charge like one-time payments. You can also go ahead and offer like free trials for your GPT, stuff like that. I'm going to show you all this here right now, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this really is to do. You don't need any coding experience. You don't need any kind of, background in development or anything like that. We've made this super easy so you can go ahead and create these paywalls and collect user payments for people to use your GPTs without having any knowledge in coding. So this is pretty much a low code, no code solution, pretty much copy and paste back and forth. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to get right into this. I'm going to show you how exciting this is and how awesome this is. So here we go right here. Let me fix my screen real quick for everyone. So what we're talking about today is Authflow.ai. It is a new software that we just launched. And what it does is you can actually monetize your custom GPTs with our simple paywall solution that we talked about a few seconds ago. This is really the only thing out there that's able to do it. As you know, ChatGPT, they don't allow you to monetize any of your GPTs. So this is the way to go ahead and monetize them right on the OpenAI platform. You don't have to build outside anymore. You can build your entire software within ChatGPT. You can build your custom GPT within ChatGPT. You don't have to go outside and use the playground and stuff like that anymore. So check out Authflow.ai. You can see right now we have joined the waitlist, but we're going to actually allow 10 people that have actually joined this waitlist so far to integrate today with us. So here's a quick little walkthrough on how we're going to do it. And then we're going to have a live training later on today on exactly how to integrate this. We're going to collect a lot of feedback from people, and we're just going to kind of get right into this. So as you see Offlow here, we're going to go over to our dashboard, and I got to fix my screen because it keeps going a little crazy. So once you get access to Offlow, what's going to happen is once you log in, you're going to come into a dashboard that looks like this. You're going to have dashboard, my paywalls, create paywall, revenue, events, Stripe Connect. When you get onboarded, you would connect your Stripe. That's how you're able to take monthly payments. Okay. So I'm going to speed run this for everyone really quick, and I'm going to show you how awesome this really is. I'm trying to get rid of my bar up here, if you guys can see it or not. Okay, so we're going to come back to this GPT SEO audit API. This is one I just built the other day. And this is like an SEO audit API. You don't have to really worry about the functions of this GPT because I'm just going to show an example of how I implement Authflow into it. So right now, if you talk to the GPT, you can see that there's no validation. It tells you the functions and it goes through like, everything to allow you to use this GPT, just like everyone else's. So, you're able to use this GPT without locking it down. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go in here. I'm going to edit this GPT to show you that we're going to implement a paywall so that when someone tries to talk to this GPT, it's actually going to tell them, hey, you have to sign up for our subscription. And if you don't sign up, then you can't use it pretty much. And I'm also going to show you how you can implement like a few-day trial because you want people to actually try these out before they sign up. So what I'm going to do, come back over to my dashboard here. Actually, I'm sorry. What we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and edit our GPT. You can either, create a new GPT and add a paywall into it directly, or you can go ahead and edit an existing one that you already have users on that you want to implement a paywall into. So we're going to go into edit GPT. Sorry, computer's being a little slow today. Okay. So here we go. Here's the GPT that I built. There's instructions, I have actions. You guys have probably seen these videos where I create all these actions that go in these GPTs and stuff like that. Today, we are going to implement the paywall. So this is how easy it is. What we're going to do, say if you already have an action, you're not going to add on to the action. You're going to create a new action, right? So we're going to create a new action. We have nothing in here for now. Okay. Right. We're going to come over to the dashboard. Let me just copy the name of this. I come over to the dashboard, and here's when the speed trial begins. And I'm going to show you how quickly this can be done. Okay. So we're going to go to create paywall name. It's going to be called SEO audit API. And then let's just do a description of this paywall. And let's just say unlock unlimited monthly access to, let's just put unlock unlimited monthly access, 3-day free trial. We'll just keep this one short. You can put any paywall description you want. So The paywall name and the paywall description is going to be, what they see when they go on your payment page. Okay. Pricing model, then we have a few options here. Today, we're going to do a subscription. You can also do one-time payments to unlock the GPT forever. You can see the currencies we have is just USD now. That's okay because it actually converts. So say you have someone from a different country paying in a different currency, it'll convert to USD when they actually make the payment. So there you go. We'll click USD subscription price. Let's just make this one $6.50 a month, right? We're going to keep this subscription interval on monthly. Okay. We're going to offer a free trial. The free trial is going to be 3 days. And then we simply click create paywall, right? This is how quick it is. So here you go. This paywall is creating. Here's your payment link. You don't have to think about this for now. We'll go into this later when we have an actual live training. What we're going to do is just do the GPT install right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this schema. You see GPT schema. We're going to copy it. We're going to come back over to our GPT and we're going to paste the schema in. You can click format. If you want, you don't have to. Then you can see there we don't have any errors or anything like that. Everything's good to go. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to take this API header key. You're going to copy it. You're going to come over to authentication again. You're going to click API key, click custom. And then we're going to paste that header key in here. We're going to come back over to the dashboard. We're going to copy our header name. This is simple. This is just for authentication. Boom, you paste it in, save. We're going to come back. We're all done with that. And then we're going to copy the last part, which is the custom instructions that you're going to add on top of the instructions that you already have. So I already have these instructions in here about the GPT. What we're going to do, we're just going to paste, space, or enter. And here you go. So I'm going to show you how well this works. So now we're going to update the GPT, view GPT. This paywall is already integrated. That's how quick this is. So now we're going to say, just do what we did last time. Hey, it'll probably go through the functions, tell you about that GPT. It's actually saying, hey, welcome to the SEO Fast Audit API GPT. To continue, please verify your subscription by providing your email address. You can register at this link if you haven't already done so, right? So here we go. Here is what we just created in the dashboard. 3 days free, $6.50 a month, SEO Audit API. They go ahead and agree to the terms of service of Authflow, and then you can start your trial. And it is that easy. So I'm going to do it with my email right here, just to show you how this works. Go back over to the GPT. Let's just say, let's try to trick the GPT, right? I'm going to put my email. I never signed up yet. I'm just trying to trick it. See if we can actually get around, because, when you implement these paywalls, you want these users to actually pay and not get around this. So we built this for a long time to be able to actually capture on this so that you can not get around these GPTs without having an active subscription. So here you go. I put in the email. It appears that there is no active subscription associated with this email. Please activate your subscription by visiting this link and try again. All right, so let's go back here. I'm just going to start the trial. And, guys, don't try using my email because I'm going to cancel trial right after this. It's not going to work. So here we go. It's paying. And then then your users will actually get notification like this and go ahead and close out the paywall or the success message. We're going to come back into the GPT. And I've already created this, so I'm just showing you guys how this works now, okay? I'm going to put my email in again. All over the place today. Once we put our email in again, now the service should work. Now the GPT should work. It's going to talk to Authflow. Welcome to the SEO Fast Audit GPT. How can I assist you with your website's SEO today? Here are the functions I offer. Boom. So now the user will have access to your GPT since they are a paid subscription. Okay. So I'm keeping this super short. If you are interested in getting in our, beta users or getting in these early users, early adapters of this, please let me know. We're going to be doing a live training on this. We're going to walk you guys through doing this today and show you how easy this really is. So I hope this video shows you how quick this is, how effective this is. And if you want to create more paywalls for different GPTs, you just follow the same process, name it something else, put a different payment amount in it, and you just integrate it just like you did on the GPT that I just did. So if anyone has any questions, any feedback, let me know. And I appreciate everyone for watching this. I'm super excited for everyone to be able to use this. It is going to change the way that the GPT store is really running. So thank you, everyone. Have a good one.